On top inside Edo today, Obaseki don waka go inspect land preparation for 725-hectare maize farm project. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don go inspect land preparation to take cultivate 725 hectares of maize farm project for Sobe wey dey Owan West local government area. When Obaseki dey talk to tori pipo after the inspection, tok say the project go dey fully mechanized with support from Nigerian Incentive-Based Risk-Sharing System for Agriculture Lending (NASA). Obaseki tok how belle take sweet am on top how work don waka reach for the farm and how inputs don take dey ground for farmers. Him tok say 145 farmers go plant maize for 5 hectares each. Obaseki come still tok say dis farm na one of the 8 farms wey dey Edo State and planting go soon start for there. Him tok say dem don bring experts come to help manage dis farms and dem don secure funding from Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN) to take run dis farm project. Na so we see dis ogbonge update reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don waka go do inspection on top land preparation for maize farm project. Dis ogbonge update wey dey reach una so na T-Live Media na im carry am come give una. Make una no forget to subscribe, like and even comment for our videos for our YouTube channel on top T-Live Media TV, and for Facebook you fit like and follow our page for T-Live Media.